back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Angie, and as you know, I recently just moved to France, and I just thought we could do like a spend the morning with me routine just to show you how I'm getting by. So I'm just going to start off by making my bed, and then we're gonna open the windows, look at the view, take it all in, and then we're gonna go to the kitchen, fix some breakfast. I do have a few errands to run. I need to open a bank account, but after that we're gonna take a stroll just to take in the beautiful, gorgeous views. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so the next thing I like to do after I make my bed is just soak in the views. My room overlooks the beautiful, beautiful street and these beautiful French windows I can't get enough of. Once you open them out like that, you have fresh air coming in and you can just look at the sky. If you have neighbors, you can say hi through the window, but so far I don't have any yet. So this is the street. This is how it looks like. It's so beautiful and gorgeous. So this is kind of a morning ritual I've developed over the 3 days I've been here. I've just been waking up, opening the windows, soaking it all in, taking a deep breath and getting ready for the day. So that's exactly what we're gonna do together. Okay, so it's currently 11:30 a.m. and there was some work I was doing before I officially got out of bed. So now I'm gonna make breakfast. This is the lovely kitchen that I am gonna make a lot of meals in, and right now it's time for breakfast, so let's do that. So the vibes for this morning, I want to have a wholesome breakfast because since I got here I've been eating some very questionable things. I hadn't really done grocery shopping until yesterday evening, so I got me some eggs, I got me some milk to make tea, Kenyan tea. I carried a lot of Kericho Gold Kenyan tea. I have a bit of fruit here, and then I have this pain au chocolat, which is beautiful, beautiful chocolate bread. You can have it in the morning. It has the same texture as croissant, but it's a bit different. It's so gorgeous. And then I'm going to do a bit of cereal because why not? I want to have like a continental breakfast. I also brought this from Kenya because I really loved my cornflakes and I didn't want to compromise on the taste that I'm already used to. Here is my Kericho Gold in plenty. I've already opened it up. I'm the person who has to have sugar. Has to have tea every day or I'll run mad. So this is my package. Hopefully it will last me the entire 7 or 8 months I'll be here. There's a few other Kenyan snacks and spices that I brought as well. So let me just set us up somewhere and then we're gonna make breakfast. Okay, voila, Onela, this is my breakfast for today. I wanted to do a nice little continental breakfast just to settle myself in. This is my first real meal since I got here, so it's a big deal for me. Let me just catch up on breakfast, check a few emails, and then I will be back. We will continue. It's currently 12:30, so I need to shower real quick and then we'll go. And then after the bank, I will go on a leisurely stroll, maybe just hang around the water fountains. We'll see, we'll find something to do. So let me do that. Okay, so finally got me ready. And this is the OOTD outfit of the day. And yeah, I have my documents with me, I have my bag. So, vas-y, on the bank. the bank. Okay guys, so I just came from the bank. I had to take an appointment because they can't see you the first time you get here. So I'll come back next week and then get a bank account. But we're done with this errand. So now I'm about to go back home and drop my documents because this is my entire life in this file. In case I lose it, it would be the end of me. So I'll go back home, drop this because it's not too far, and then we will start our adventure. Okay, so for the first place that I have landed, I am at a dome. This is there's this really cool dome, and it's just like a 1 minute, literally less than a minute walk from my house. It's so crazy. I don't know exactly what its historical background is, but I just find it really cool. And then there's a bell, I think, in the middle. So every morning when I wake up, I just hear bells ringing. So I'm currently waiting for my friend here at the dome. It's kind of like a monument in the city, so anytime you want to meet someone, you just tell them, oh yeah, let's meet at the dome at like 2 p.m. So that's kind of what I've just done. So I'm just going to find somewhere to sit. There's a few benches over there close to the bus stop, and then I'll wait for her to just show up. Voilà, on est là. On fait le marche aux cités et puis on va retourner à la maison plus tard. Au revoir. Okay, so we're about to take a romantic walk in this beautiful garden that we found ourselves in. So the one thing I'm quickly discovering being here is that I have to walk so much, which is something I haven't been used to. But these cities and towns are built to walk, so I have been walking so much. And this was us now going to the chateau, which is a huge medieval castle that makes this town very, very famous. So this is us taking a rest before continuing. It's all the way up there, as you can see in the periphery. So we finally made it to the chateau, but by this point we were so tired because we had been walking so much, and I just decided I couldn't be able to film the inside, and I thought I'd make a separate video just for the tour inside because I think it's so beautiful. It just deserves its own separate video. So stay tuned for that. I will be uploading it very soon. Okay, so we're on our way home now, and I just did a bit of girl dinner shopping for tonight because I'm still not used to cooking over here, but from tomorrow I'll start cooking for real. For tonight we survive on this. This is rice, I'm just going to boil it, and this is like pre-made chicken which I'm gonna have with the rice. Yeah, so right now on our way home. So I finally got back home after such a long afternoon. I was so tired. The sun knocked me out. I didn't expect it to knock me out the way it did, but it finally did. But I just wanted to conclude this video and say thank you so much for watching, and there is so much more to discover in this city. It's so beautiful, so please consider subscribing if you haven't already so that you can catch up on the next video as soon as it drops. If you have watched this video till the end, thank you so much. Thank you, and stay tuned for more. Also, you can comment and tell me what is your favorite thing to see, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.